Welcome to the Property Tax Management System for Jan Suvidha Kendra. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the Admin Login option on the system interface to access the admin functions. Upon selecting Admin Login, a list of modules will be displayed. Select the property module from the available options. Upon selecting the module, the user will be directed to the login page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided. Reload the CAPTCHA, then click on the login button. After clicking the login button, the user will be redirected to the property home page on the JSK dashboard. The JSK dashboard provides an overview of application summaries and options for related actions on the property home page, including total applied applications, total collection, collection report, search applications. The user can also check recent applications related to the following categories: SAF, concession, rainwater harvesting, objection, deactivation. On the JSK dashboard, locate and select the Apply option to perform actions related to property-related applications. This section includes the following options: Apply new assessment, Apply amalgamation, Apply GB-SAF. To apply for a government building SAF, navigate to the Apply section on the dashboard. Select the GB-SAF option to access the government building SAF form. The GB-SAF form requires the following property details: ULB, name of building, name of office operated by the building, ward number, new ward number, holding number, government building usage type, property usage type, zone, road width in feet, area of plot in decimal, street name, location, landmark, building address, officer designation, officer address, officer name, officer email, officer mobile. For the following features, select Yes if applicable, otherwise select No. Does the property have mobile towers? Does the property have a hoarding board? Does the property have a petrol pump? Does the property have a rainwater harvesting provision? After completing the property details, the user must fill in the floor details. Click the corresponding address or section to access the floor details form. The floor details form requires the following information: floor number, usage type, occupancy type, construction type, built-up area, in square feet, from date. The up-to-date field can be left blank if it represents the current date. After entering the floor details, click the Add Floor button to save the information. Upon clicking the Save button, the added floor details will be displayed. If updates are needed, select the Edit option to modify the added floor details. To add multiple floors, repeat the same process for each floor as outlined in the Adding Floor Details section. After adding or updating all floor details, click the Save button again. You will be prompted to review the form before final submission. Carefully review all details in the form. Click the Submit button to finalize the submission. Upon successful submission, the total payable tax will be displayed, along with its details and a payment option. To proceed with payment, click the Payment option. The user will be redirected to the payment screen. On the payment screen, provide the following details: payment up to year, payment up to quarter, payment mode. Remark: Click the Payment button to proceed. You will be prompted to confirm the payment. After successful payment, a confirmation screen will appear, displaying payment done and indicating that the application has been sent for verification. To view the payment receipt, select the corresponding View Receipt option. The payment receipt will be displayed, along with a print option to obtain a printed copy. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.